How do I know when the ham is fully cooked?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial topic for anyone who enjoys cooking ham: how to determine when your ham is fully cooked. Ensuring your ham is cooked perfectly not only guarantees great flavor but also safety.
Why is it important to fully cook ham?
Ham is a delicious treat, but like all meats, it's essential to cook it thoroughly to eliminate any harmful bacteria that might be present. While some hams are pre-cooked and only require warming up, others need thorough cooking. Ensuring proper cooking guarantees that your meal is safe to eat.
What is the safe internal temperature?
The most reliable way to determine if ham is fully cooked is by checking its internal temperature. For fresh, raw ham, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. For pre-cooked hams that are reheated, the internal temperature should be at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure accuracy.
How to use a meat thermometer?
1. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham without touching the bone. 2. Wait a few seconds until the reading stabilizes. 3. Check the temperature. If it hasn't reached the recommended temperature, continue cooking.
Are there visual cues?
Yes. Although using a meat thermometer is the most accurate method, there are visual signs to look out for. The meat should change from a pinkish raw color to a more opaque, fully cooked appearance. Juices should run clear when the ham is pierced. The outer glaze or crust, if applied, should be caramelized and golden brown. However, always remember that color can be deceiving, and visual cues should not replace the use of a meat thermometer. And there you have it. Ensuring your ham is fully cooked is both a matter of taste and safety. Remember to rely on a meat thermometer for the most accurate results. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you're now confident in serving a perfectly cooked ham. Enjoy your meal.